Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Kapitan Minero. So today guys, I will be discussing you where you can buy big pots. As you can see, I am here in Jotunheim and I'm in the marketplace. And as you can see, there is no big pots here. Big potion, man, I mean. Okay, as you can see,
Nothing is free
medium
here.
potion and small potion. So here in Jotunheim, or I will be telling you where you can buy big pots, but it is like a black market. So I will show you the map. So here's the map. So you have to go here at the spider colony, or here in the Howling Gorms Moor. Okay, you can go fast travel or ground travel. So we shall be going ground travel so that you can see the whole area where you will be going. Your point location is the towers, as you can see, the big towers there. Okay, this is just been a long stretch. Okay, now that we are now in the, what they call this, Howling Gorms Moor. Okay, now that we are now here, we shall be going down one step. Left side, down one step. Now you can see those people. Yeah, now you can see them. That is those players buying the big pots. So you just have to go down. But the problem is it's very pricey. I think it's 250 gold per high potion. Considering the price in the marketplace, the medium HP is just only 50 and the small HP is 25. So the large portion here is 250. So now you can buy big pots now. So you don't have to go to the Nidavellir map before you can buy potion. But once you have opened the Nidavellir, you can buy much cheaper price in the market with a large HP. Okay, so if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated in every video that I will be throwing here at the Odin Valhalla Rising. Bye bye.